GWBASIC in Visual Studio Code. Bet you never saw that coming. Anyway, let's get to the demo before I lose you guys. So this is PCBASIC, and if I load, let's do new CLS. If you're ever in graphics mode and you want to get back in text mode, screen 1 with 80. And let's load. So I loaded the program I have in Visual Studio Code, and if we run it, we get this. And this is part of an export I did from my program here. So you can see all the shapes. I've exported 4 shapes. Let me show you how I did that. File, export, and I selected this option here. And let's change the color of this one again. Let's change it to yellow. First we have to select paint. Yeah, let's just leave one like that. Export. And let's call this one GW2 INC. So if I go back to Visual Studio Code, I'm just going to copy this portion because I don't want to retype it. Let's cut that out. And I called it GW2INC. And there is the new exported code. I will paste my loader code, and how do I get these values here? Well, if we go down the listing here, there's a descriptive section in each part. So let's say I want to read the first image. The first image starts at line 1030. I could also specify 1000 because these are just remarks here. They don't really count. But if I want to read the second image, I would have to put restore 1290. So let's do that. 1290. That'll read the second image. And let's make sure the size is the same. 258. We're dimensioning our image to 258. And we start at 0, so 0 to 257 is 258. And let's save this. And let's save as GW2.BAS. And let's go into, let's try GWBASIC. So let's go into GW2.BAS. Okay, I must have, I think I know what I did wrong. There we go. So if we do a listing, it's the same code, it just goes very quickly. Let's go from, so here's the first part, that's the important part. And let's just run this. And we got this shape, which is, if we bring this back up, It's our second shape. Now let's try displaying that last shape that we changed the colors to yellow. And if we jump into the code here, that starts off at 1870. So we can just change this here to 1870, resave, and go back to all right, let's load this up again, GW2.BAS, and this will display the last image. Let's see. There we go. So I just wanted to show that how easy it is now to handle multiple shapes, and this also works in PCBASIC. Let's load it up again. I'm using different paths because of just the way PCBASIC gets configured. So if we run the same demo, we get the same thing. Okay. Okay, so it's the same thing. Now, one note about PCBASIC, I'm using version, what version am I using? I'm using version 1 basically, but let's try another. Okay, here we go. So I'm using version 1.214. Now there's another version. I'm not sure what the latest version, but it's version 2. And this version doesn't work so well. Let's try. Okay, so again, same code. And if we run this, yeah, we get a blue screen. So I don't know what they've changed that makes it incompatible now, but yeah, it's a bug. So if you're getting this screen, it's your version, it's not the code. It just version 2 doesn't seem to handle this properly. Anyway, I think that's where I'll end this. So if you have any questions, just leave me a little note. And thanks for watching.